Good morning. Hi, I'm Darlene from Super at 60. Welcome to my car. Yeah, I'm not home today. I'm out running some errands and I thought I would just take you along with me. The first errand that I had to run this morning was a quick trip to Chick-fil-A. Yes, I had to stop there and get a quick drink before I hit the road. I really don't have that far to go, but what I am doing today, I'm going to a grocery store that I've not been to today. If y'all have been there before, y'all let me know, but it is called Lidl, Lidl. And yeah, I'm gonna hit that store today. I'm gonna take you with me as best I can. I hear they do not like video or camera taken or anything inside their store, so I will do the best I can. Probably not much at all, but I will give you absolutely a haul when I get home. I hope it's all cracked up. It's all it's cracked up to be. I really do. I've been looking so forward to this, and we need groceries. And I thought, you know, I'm just going to take my friends to Lidl today. All right, so I hear Lidl is supposed to be a lot like Aldi, but I don't know. We'll see. First off, oh shoot, I left my drink in the car. I'll have to go back for that. First off, you don't need a quarter or anything, so that's good. All right, I also noticed they have these neat little cup holders. Hey, you know, this kind of stuff all adds up. So far, I like it. And they have these great little corrals where you can put your cart when you're done. All right, so far, that's what it looks like, and here we go. Alrighty, I just got home from Lidl's, and I can't wait to show you the grocery haul because, wow, they had some really good prices, very, very good prices. It was worth the haul out there to do a haul. And then I stopped at Food Lion on the way back. Sometimes I just go through there and I check their meat price to see if there's any reductions, and I only got one today. So Food Lion was uneventful, but I'll show you the 2, 3, 4 things I got, but not too much. So let's get right into the haul. Okay, I'll start back here again with the dairy products. Okay, there were some really, really particularly great buys there, and this is one of them. Heavy whipping cream was, I tried to put the price on just about everything, $2.23. $2.23. I've not seen that in a long time. Aldi is well over $4. So, and that's their everyday price. The milk right here, and this is 2% milk. I got 2 gallons. Look at that, $1.87. $1.87, and that's for August 9th, 2022. One of these I'll use right now. The other one I'm gonna go ahead and put down into my freezer because that was just too good of a deal. And guys, look at this. Their butter's $1.78. Yes, I got 3 salted and 3 unsalted. No limit, that's their regular everyday price. Oh, I did get some meatballs here for a recipe that I want to do for y'all. And it was $5.50, I think, $5.50 for those. And that was a sale price, believe it or not. But I don't know, maybe that's not so bad. Haven't had hot dogs in so long, and there they were. And they were 3 something, similar to Aldi. The pepperoni, $3.94, not so wonderful, but not horrible. These Roma tomatoes were $1.39. I didn't think that was too bad. That's a nice bag full of those. Sour cream, what do I have on there? $1.45. Not too bad. I'm huffing and puffing because I literally just got out of the car and threw these on the table and marked up prices on them as fast as I could. I'm sweaty and I'm hot and I'm so sorry, but I'm excited. It was really a great time at the grocery store today. I enjoyed myself because I always enjoy saving money, don't we all? $1.99 for this 10-pack of buttermilk waffles. Sometimes I enjoy just one of those in the morning, not even, hey Brownie, how you doing? Okay, she's hoping something falls. You know, maybe a little syrup on it, maybe just toasted, just plain toasted. I don't even mind that. Oh, okay, now back here, for $1.49, I got these organic ketchups, $1.49. And that's 20 ounces. Yeah, I think that was bad. Oh, and look at this. 5 loaves of cinnamon raisin bread. And I love this toasted with just a little butter. 5 for $5. So $1 a loaf. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see, I got some pizza sauce here for another recipe that I'm going to try and do. Let's see, what did I have on that? 114. These are the larger size. Usually I get the little 8-ounce tomato sauce to make my pizza sauce with. These are the 16-ounce, and they were 64 cents. That is way less than Aldi. Way less. The crescent rolls, now this is their own brand, 93 cents. Some wonderful hummus here. I love hummus and chips, and yeah, I did buy some chips. And a great big huge bag, really good priced. And this is $2.45. And that's just the plain old hummus. I didn't get anything special. A bag of zipper, like sandwich baggies. My husband uses them. And those were what, $2.24 for 100. All right, these little pizza crust mixes, again for another video that I'm prepping for you guys, and they were 99 cents. And there's that great big old bag. Now that is the super big bag, you know, the kind you get at like BJ's or Costco, the big one. And that was $3.79, so I was happy with that. I'm gonna save my super buy here in just a second. Let me just whiz right by it because I don't want you to see it. Oh, they had these breads discounted, and they were 75 cents. So I was happy with that. I will wrap those up really well and put those in the freezer. I'll probably make pizzas from those, just have them long-wise. I did that the other night, actually, from an Aldi find. I found 75 cents Parmesan bread, garlic bread. You had your choice, and I got some of both. And I just split them, no sauce. I just put cheese on them. And what else did I put on there? Some mozzarella cheese and some orange peppers. Oh my goodness, were they good. That with the flavor of the Italian flavoring bread or the garlic bread would have been just as good. They were spectacular, I have to say. Even my husband, he really, really likes it, still talks about it. That's pretty good for him. The little vanilla wafers, I always get them for my grandson. Yeah, $1.98 for those. No particularly good deal, but you know, great big pack of toilet papers. Now, this was on sale. It was their sale, and that was $18.99. I didn't think that was too horrible bad. These, I have wanted a set of these for the longest time for the back porch table. They were $8.99 for a pack of 4. And that's exactly what I need out there. I can also use them at this kitchen table as well. The fruit juice here, it's 100% cranberry juice. I like to drink that. Sometimes I'll splash just a little in my lemonade, my Crystal Light lemonade. It is so good. And I'm getting just a little bit of cranberry juice, $3.74. All right, and then at the very end here, well, I still have one more thing to show you from my Lidl run, but the couple things that I picked up at Food Line, it wasn't a particularly good day there for me today for things that I needed, but the manager special on this stir-fry beef was $5.87, regular 8, what is it, 8.39. So I thought that was decent. I do have some peppers, and I have onions, and I have garlic, and I have soy sauce and a little brown sugar. Yeah, that's gonna come together very nice for a nice meal. And these little packets down here, I buy these pretty often. They're $1.49, and each pouch makes about enough delicious biscuits for about a family of 4, or Lou and I just have, you know, like half left over. We can have them next morning for breakfast or even for the next day's meal. So this is very nice, and they do save nice if you want to, you know, stock up on some of these and put them in your just in case pile that you have stored somewhere in your home. And then I went ahead and bought a regular size. Now this was $4.69. This was not on sale. It was a bit of a splurge. I think I have gotten them as low as $3.49, so a little more than $1 off. And I have some of those. Yeah. So that's all good. But I think, for me, I thought the best deal were right here. These beautiful organic maple syrup bottles. Look at them. They are 12 fluid ounces, and I'm telling you, at Aldi, these are so high. Well, they've always been high, but they're particularly high right now. Look at the price I paid for these today. $4.79. $4.79. Yep, I bought 5 of them. 5 was the limit, so that's what I purchased. We don't eat a lot of pancakes or waffles, although I did buy some today. But sometimes I'll use maple syrup for my sweetener, and if I'm baking or something like that. I love the flavor of maple syrup. So I thought that was my very good find. And on top of that, I get to save these beautiful glasses, and I use these glass bottles for my extracts, my lemon extracts, my orange extracts, my almond extracts, and of course my vanilla extracts. They make the most perfect giftable bottles. So was I happy? Heck yeah, I was happy with this wonderful Lidl haul. Now this is a Lidl haul, the first time I have ever done a Lidl haul, and Darlene was happy at Lidl. Yeah. All right, and real quick, my Lidl bill was $139.61, and I got a lot of good stuff. I was very happy there. And then Food Line was $15.41. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you had a good time. Yeah, there's my haul. I'll see you next time. Bye now, and Lord bless.